Welcome to TechSphere, your go-to source for the latest in tech innovation. In today's video, we're exploring a topic that's shaping the future right before our eyes: the rise of robots powered by artificial intelligence. From factories to hospitals and even our homes, robots are becoming an integral part of our daily lives. But how exactly are these AI-powered machines impacting industries? What are their capabilities? And what does this mean for the future? Let's dive into how AI-powered robotics are not only evolving, but are on track to take over many aspects of our world. Let's start by understanding what we mean by AI-powered robotics. Robotics is the field that focuses on the design, construction, and operation of robots. On its own, robotics is impressive, but adding artificial intelligence brings it to an entirely new level. With AI, robots are no longer just pre-programmed machines limited to repetitive tasks. Instead, they are becoming capable of decision-making, learning, and even adapting to new environments. In simple terms, AI gives robots a kind of brain, enabling them to process data, recognize patterns, and make decisions based on the information they gather. One key area where AI-powered robots are making a massive impact is in manufacturing and industrial work. Factories are increasingly using robots that can work alongside human employees or even operate independently. For example, AI-powered robotic arms can assemble products with precision, and autonomous vehicles transport materials around large facilities. With AI, these robots can adapt to different tasks, monitor their own performance, and detect issues in real time. This not only boosts productivity, but also reduces the chances of human error. As a result, companies are producing goods faster and with greater accuracy than ever before. Another area seeing a significant change due to AI-powered robots is healthcare. Imagine a robot performing surgery with precision or assisting doctors in diagnosing diseases. This is already happening. Robotic surgical systems, such as the Da Vinci surgical system, are being used in hospitals worldwide. These systems allow surgeons to perform complex procedures with greater control and flexibility than traditional methods. Meanwhile, AI helps the robot analyze data from previous surgeries and improve its techniques over time. AI-powered robots are also assisting in patient care, delivering medications, and helping with tasks that require physical assistance like lifting patients. In this way, robots are enhancing healthcare by making it safer, faster, and more efficient. AI-powered robots are also becoming more common in nurse-to-service and hospitality industries. For example, hotels are beginning to use robots as concierge assistants, helping guests with check-ins, answering questions, and even delivering room service. Restaurants are exploring the use of robots as servers or kitchen assistants. These robots can help prepare dishes, cook food, and deliver it to tables. With AI, these robots can learn customer preferences, adjust to varying levels of demand, and perform tasks with consistency. By automating these roles, businesses can serve more customers while reducing wait times and improving overall efficiency. Another exciting development is the use of AI-powered robots in transportation and logistics. Companies like Amazon and UPS are using autonomous robots for package delivery and warehouse management. Autonomous drones are now capable of delivering packages to customers, reducing delivery times and costs. Self-driving trucks are being tested on highways, transporting goods over long distances without human drivers. With AI, these robots can navigate complex routes, avoid obstacles, and even communicate with other vehicles. This could eventually lead to a fully automated logistics network, where robots handle every aspect of the supply chain. In agriculture, AI-powered robots are transforming how we grow and harvest crops. With advanced sensors and AI algorithms, these robots can monitor crop health, detect pests, and even determine the optimal time for harvesting. Autonomous tractors and drones are already being used on farms to plant seeds, spray pesticides, and collect data on soil conditions. These robots can work day and night regardless of weather, making farming more efficient and productive. As the world's population continues to grow, AI-powered robots in agriculture may play a crucial role in meeting the demand for food. Education is another field where robots are starting to make an impact. AI-powered robots can act as teaching assistants, helping students with questions and providing personalized feedback. They can adapt to different learning styles and even help children with special needs by providing tailored support. In some cases, robots are being used to teach coding and STEM skills, giving students hands-on experience with technology. By incorporating AI, these educational robots can analyze student performance and adjust their approach to maximize learning outcomes. This makes learning more interactive, engaging, and effective. One of the most advanced applications of AI-powered robotics is in space exploration. Robots like NASA's Perseverance rover are equipped with AI to explore Mars and collect data autonomously. These robots can make decisions based on the environment, navigate rough terrain, and analyze samples. With AI, space agencies can send robots to distant planets, allowing them to gather information that would be too dangerous or costly for humans to collect. In the future, AI-powered robots may play a key role in establishing human colonies on other planets, conducting scientific research, and even mining resources from asteroids. However, as AI-powered robots continue to advance, there are also challenges and ethical concerns to consider. One of the main challenges is the potential impact on employment. As robots become capable of performing more tasks traditionally done by humans, there is a risk that many jobs will be automated. This could lead to job displacement, especially in industries like manufacturing, transportation, and service. While robots can improve efficiency and reduce costs, society will need to address how to manage the economic impact and support workers who are affected by these changes. Another challenge is ensuring that AI-powered robots are safe and reliable. Since these robots are often placed in environments where they interact with humans, it's crucial that they operate safely and predictably. Engineers are working to design systems that allow robots to recognize and respond to potential hazards. For instance, robots used in healthcare must be programmed to avoid harming patients, and autonomous vehicles must be able to detect and avoid pedestrians. Creating robots that are both intelligent and safe is essential as they become more integrated into our lives. Ethical concerns are also on the rise, especially around privacy and surveillance. Many AI-powered robots use cameras, sensors, and data collection to perform their tasks. This can raise privacy issues, particularly when robots are used in public spaces or collect personal information. For example, service robots in retail may gather data on customer preferences, and security robots may monitor public areas. It's important for companies and regulators to set clear guidelines to protect individuals' privacy and ensure that data collected by robots is used responsibly. Despite these challenges, the future of AI-powered robotics is incredibly promising. We're witnessing a transformation where robots are no longer confined to the pages of science fiction, but are becoming part of our everyday reality. With advancements in AI, robots are not only performing tasks, but are learning, adapting, and becoming increasingly sophisticated. What do you think about the rise of AI-powered robots? Are they a positive force for change, or are there risks that we need to address? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting updates on the latest in tech. Thanks for watching TechSphere, and we'll see you in the next video.